What do you think, Gimli? You ready for your first big adventure? You ready? Leaving our campsite right there. Heading up Bird Mountain Trail. Hey, that's not the trail. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Destination, I don't know. We'll see how Gimli's doing. What do you hear? Quite a few switchbacks at the beginning of the trail, coming out of Big Cove Campground, which really helps with the rapid elevation gain. Look at you figuring those switchbacks out. What a smart boy. Come on, come. There you go. I think little guy's ready for a break. Made it to the intersection with Cumberland Trail. I think what we're going to do is stop here, get a snack break, and then head back down. Be a little over 4 miles round trip for him. Well, not the great view I was hoping for, but still has been a really nice hike. Be Gimli's longest hike to date, and first time out of Indiana. What do you think, little guy? Should we head back to camp? Chill out there? We did 1,359 feet of elevation gain, over 2 miles. That's pretty good. Yay! We made it back to camp. Are you excited, puppy? It's a nice quiet morning here, so it'll be a good time to do a quick campground overview. We are in Big Cove Campground at Frozen Head State Park in Tennessee. We are in campsite 11. Parking pad was a little bit unlevel. Took a little bit of work to get things leveled up and stable. Campsite 12 is right next to the trailhead. It has not been very busy at all since we've been here, but I really like this one. Nice level parking pad, and the picnic table, fire ring, and tent spot are all together. I think that would be really nice, especially if you're tent camping. Campsites 9 and 10 are both pull-through sites. Again, nice big tent pad areas. Look to be fairly level. Honestly, so far I can't say enough good things about this campground. It is super quiet. Seems to be popular with the motorcyclists. It's got a nice modern bathhouse. It's got showers. Bathrooms are very clean. Showers are nice and big. Had plenty of hot water. 50 miles of trails where you're just starting to explore. I don't believe this would be a good setup for somebody that has a big rig. There is no electricity here. We were running off of solar, which is working out okay. It's pretty shady, which is nice. It's nice to have a shady campsite, but makes the solar a little bit trickier, but we're making do and very much enjoying our stay.